everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making one of Britain's export to the world, summer dessert. It is quite simple to make, it's quite easy, there's no rules to this, and very yummy. I'm making Eton Mess. This dessert came about around the 1800s when two of the most prestigious colleges in England had a game together, and this was served after their game. The two schools that were involved were actually Eton and Harrow College. Let's get started. This is quite simple and easy dessert to make. If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button. So to start with, I have 1 cup of monk sweetener, or you can use any sweetener of your choice. But bear in mind that since you want a meringue, which is usually white, you probably want something white. I have 4 large eggs, which I am going to crack and separate the yolk from. You do not want any yolk in this at all. As a matter of fact, making a meringue, if there is a slight fat in any of this, it does not work. You want to use your yolks for something different. But definitely enough for this. We're going to set the egg white aside, and I'm going to take 1 lemon, which is an acid, squeeze it. We need some acid. You can use cream of tartar. You can use buttermilk. You can substitute. Set those aside. Bring our stand mixer with a whisk attachment. I'm going to use this lemon to make sure that this does not have any kind of fat and get rid of any fat. Now we add the egg white and then we start whisking. We're going to whisk and add the sweetener little at a time. We're going to add the acid. We're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla and a 1/4 spoon of salt, and we continue. We want to get this to a soft peak. Want a little bit more. This is perfect. So next, you can either pipe it or you can choose to scoop it. So for me, I'm making a whole cake-like meringue. So I'm scooping it in. The whole point is to try and release it. And now we bake this at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half. Our oven had already preheated. The whole idea is to bake it slow and easy. We are going to bake it for an hour and a half, and then we're going to leave it overnight, and we put it together. The meringue has finished baking. Let me just show you what it looks like. But we're going to let it stay in the oven overnight, because the longer it stays, the harder it gets, and the more crumbly it becomes. That looks great. But we're going to leave it in the oven overnight so that it will be ready by tomorrow. We are ready to finish our Eton Mess. The meringue is ready. So let's get our strawberries ready. So this is about 1 pound of strawberry. What we're going to do is to just take off these. They have been washed. You just want to take off the green part of them. Now you can use any fruit of your choice for this, but the classic is generally strawberry, because this is usually seen as a summer treat, because strawberries are readily available during the summer. But you can add kiwi, all kinds of stuff. You can add some grapes, blueberries, whatever tickles your fancy. Is your Eton Mess? You can make as much mess as you want. Be happy making it. This is a no judgment zone here. Then what we're going to do is to divide this into 2. So I'm going to put back about half of it, and then I'm going to quarter these, or to 8s, depending on how big they are. You want them bite sizes, and just quartering these. And this will be a good time. If you like our video, please share, like, subscribe, and comment. So we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna grab the other half and really smash them. What we're trying to do is to really get some juice out of them. And you can use, I find it easy to just use a potato masher just to mash them. You can put them in a blender or in a food processor as well. We are just trying to release some of the juice. Everything about this is just keeping it as simple as possible. This is one of those desserts or treats that warms your heart. Who doesn't love strawberry? Unless if you're allergic to it. So that looks just fine. We're going to now add these back to the mix, and then we'll mix together. To draw out more liquid out of it, you can add sugar, powdered sugar, or anything. I'm just adding some monk sweetener for me, and just mix. And then we're going to set this aside and prepare our whipped cream. We're going to put our organic. This is about a cup of whipped cream. We're going to start whipping. We're going to whip it till we get a soft peak. We do not want the stiff peak. So halfway, I'm going to add a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. And you can add your sweetener of choice. For me, I'm going to add about half a cup of monk sweetener. And then we mix it together. And then we continue with it. Because I don't want to over whip it, that's why I'm using the hand mixer to whip it. This is really how you want it. You don't want a stiff peak. And this is perfect. So now we are ready to assemble. We have our assembly. I broke some of the meringue already. So now you want to add some of this to the bottom. Add a little bit of, then break some of this in. I'm leaving big chunks. More whipped cream. Voila. This is a beautiful Eton Mess. Amazing. So simple to put together. You can have the meringue prepared way in advance. Keep it in your pantry because it stores really, really well. And you can put this together with the simplest of ingredients before your guests notice that you're even gone. And people would think you made so much effort getting this ready. Now for the taste test. I mean, look at that beauty. Isn't she just gorgeous? I could only eat one. Here we go for the taste test. That crunch. The crunch of the meringue, the softness of the whipped cream. It's like cloud melting in your mouth. And then the strawberries. Oh my God. Guilty pleasure. Oh my God. I mean, so yummy, so creamy, so delicious, so amazing. You can add bananas into this. So rich, yet the sweetness is not overpowering. Just perfect balance of sweetness and tardiness with the strawberry. My goodness. And that crunch of the meringue. Can hear the crunch. It is very, very important to just eat this within the hour after making it in order to get that crunch. If not, the whipped cream, the wetness from that and the strawberry will pretty much cause the meringue not be crunchy. You can hear that crackling. That is amazing. I can stand here and finish this. This is a whole meal. Go ahead, try it. Your friends will love you for any party. This is a hit for any occasion. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke saying stay blessed, eat healthy, exercise, and have a wonderful life.